Good morning and a very good day to Dr. Anita. Before starting the presentation, let me introduce myself first. I am Lo Chawei and there are also two members in our group, which are Yap Hong Ying and Yap Hong Ming. Today we are going to present how artificial intelligence helps in solving problems in our daily life to improve our living quality. The building that we selected as our topic to discuss is Childcare Centre. In our content, there will be introduction, how artificial technology is being used for various human activity or tasks, and the conclusion. Childcare Centre provide a place where children are cared for in safe surroundings. It provides regular full-time or part-time childcare in place. The number of children attending a childcare centre is various, depending on the number of qualified staff and a place required to accommodate the children in comfort. Each centre will have a number of children attending who will be different age. However, the primary purpose of the centre is to provide a safe and secure environment with quality caregivers so that the parents have the peace of mind of knowing their children are safe while they are working. In order to provide a good environment for children, artificial intelligence technology is being used for various tasks in the childcare centre. One of the common activities in childcare centres is using the remote control to switch on and adjust the temperature of the air conditioning system. However, when remote control is misplaced or a malfunction occurs, it will bring trouble to the staff in the centre. To overcome the problems, a suggestion of artificial intelligence-based solution to be implemented that can make the activity easier for humans at the childcare centre is having the AI mode air conditioning system. The temperature can be automatically adjusted based on the existing room temperature. If the temperature in the room is high above the normal level, the temperature will automatically decrease to make the room cooler, and the air conditioning system will increase the temperature when it detects that the room is too cool. There are also automatic temperature setting of air conditioning system according to the number of people in the centre. The 3D sensor systems are capable of adjusting the operation according to the number of people in addition to setting the temperature 1 or 2 degrees above or below when there is no one present in the room for energy saving purpose. The system will automatically define the maximum number of people present in the room. When the occupancy rate is as low as 30%, it will change the temperature setting. The sensor updates the operation according to the change in the number of people by checking the rate every 3 minutes. If desired, the air conditioner may stop working when the sensor does not detect anyone for a certain period of time. This feature ensures comfort and energy efficiency, which is also being used in commercial space where the occupancy rates change instantly, such as restaurant and office. Besides, it prevents air conditioner from consuming energy when they are not turned off by caregivers in the centre. There is also a special feature in the air conditioning system, which is it can detect the sound of the user. When the user reads, "Please switch on the air conditioning system," it will turn on automatically without any control. The user may also switch off the air conditioning system by using the same method and read, "Please switch off the air conditioning system." This function allows the user to switch on or switch off the air conditioning system even though they are busy or their hand is not free for the moment to use the remote control. The artificial intelligence used in the air conditioning system require very least involvement of caregivers and needs no unnecessary attention to this operation. Hence, they can give more focus on giving attention to the children in the center.